Okay guys, I want you to have the opportunity to see how I'm gonna do the other side now that I have the big piece out, so you can see the process more or less in real time. So let's get to it. Okay guys, there you have it. Now I have the other piece already out, and this one is the same process here. I'm gonna be removing the clip over here like I told you before, so I'm gonna get this clip out just to get the lever, just like this. There you have it. Now I need to remove the bolt over here. This is like a Torx, I guess like 25. Torx 20. So that's the bolt that you have to, it's a little screw actually, not a bolt. We have two more. That's one, that's two. And again guys, all this is just to alleviate this problem of this bolt because it doesn't come off. Can we cut it? Yes, but it's not that nice. This is a brand new vehicle. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the challenge to get this out is this bolt. When you try to get it out, obviously it's gonna get in this area over here. It's not gonna allow you. The other one comes out, no problem. It has plenty of room. So this is our challenge here. That's why we have to get this cover off first. So you're gonna see me pulling the right side molding, then the left side molding, and the last one is gonna be the center molding, guys. So like I told you, you're gonna grab it over here. There you have one. This is the other side. And there you have it, guys. It's that simple. Obviously, I've been doing this for quite some time. So if you struggle a little bit, just be mindful about how it's done. Now, this one doesn't have the clip, but it has the two right here in the bottom. And like I told you, just get this and you go one, and the other one release by itself, and it go out. And now guys, you have access to the two bolts right here, no problem. You just remove this one like I showed you before. The only thing that you have to do is pry it over here, and there you have the shock absorber off. And now you can get your bolts out. And that's, guys, how you're gonna get this seat over here. I want you to be careful when you work in that side because it tends to lean over here, guys. Be careful with these bends. You can break these legs, so be sure that they are out of your way. Preferable, I would prefer them up. And this bottom, again, try to protect these things because the seat over here tends to lean over here and you might ruin something. So be very mindful about this. And guys, this is how you're gonna get this one off, that one off, and the third row. The front is very simple, guys. It's just 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. No big deal with the front ones. I might show you how to get some of these covers off, but I believe this is as much as you need to know when it comes to the removal in the third and second rows in your 2025 Dodge Durango, I believe it is. And remember, guys, this one was built since 2012, I believe, and is more or less the same process. If you find my content useful, guys, please put it in the comments. Say thank you, say hello, and if you want me to create videos about specific things, let me know. I want to help you as much as I can. And don't forget to visit leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys, because I want to give you the best deal possible when it comes to leather interiors. Visit leathertech.com, guys. Thank you so much.